What's going on, everybody? Part 2 of our kiln rebuild. We've been working really hard on this the last few weeks and have come a long way. We're just now getting it put together enough to be able to get the armature out from underneath the weight of the kiln lid. So really exciting, big steps. We can move forward and finish getting the kiln ground down. Some of those pieces that are glued in to the kiln, we can get those chipped out, cleaned out, and prepped for this next firing. We thank you for being here in this journey with us. We are really enjoying learning and taking the steps to make these little videos and to find ways to connect with our audience. So anyways, we thank you for being you. Take care. See you around.